Hi, today we're unboxing an HTV Mystery Scrap Box from Heat Transfer Warehouse. My name is Karen and I'm from CK Customs PA. Inside each of these boxes we are guaranteed 100 plus pieces of scrap from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I'll be sure to include a link to the website in the video description. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's inside. Alright, looks like inside this box we're starting out with a piece of green sparkle, followed by a solid piece of pink, and a neon green sheet. We then have some printed vinyl. There's an ombre blue to green, an ombre purple to yellow, and an ombre blue to lighter blue. It looks like this is a piece of pink sparkle. You can see the sparkle there, and a piece of sunset orange sparkle. Here we have this piece of solid green. Here you can note that these are pieces that may have imperfections and are expected in these scrap boxes. This here is actually on the carrier sheet, so you could still cut your design and weed it from the other side. And then when you're putting it on your press, since it's on the carrier sheet, just make sure that you have a piece of Teflon over top to make sure that you don't get any adhesive residue on your heat press. Otherwise, it is still perfectly good piece of vinyl. You could also just cut the center out and still have two good sized pieces using this piece of green. Okay, moving on, we have a piece of silver hollow shine deco film from Specialty Materials, a piece of heavy white glitter, some gold pieces, looks like 3 or so pieces of gold here. We have some printed animal HTV. Pay attention to the side that you're cutting these on to know whether to mirror or not with these. This blue may be a holographic or a deco sparkle, depending what brand it may be from. And then we have 2 pieces of neon purple or violet. Those are not layerable. A strip of solid green, a deep purple glitter. We have a piece of pink and a solid orange. A large piece of solid yellow, and a neon green large size piece. You get a lot of good size pieces in these boxes. We have a red holographic or deco sparkle. It's a very long piece. A deep brown. We have another piece of yellow and orange. We have some light blue holographic deco sparkle type. And then looks like metallic midnight or charcoal, a couple of pieces of that. We have blue deco sparkle or holographic, and then kind of like an aqua mint-ish color. Those are nice size. It's a nice size piece and a smaller piece to go with it. We have some metallics coming up here. So we have a red metallic, a blue metallic, couple pieces of each. Looks like a black metallic as well, so that is super shiny. We have some Easy Weed Gold by Caesar. They include the label on that one, so that is easy to identify. A piece of bright red, large size there. We've got some orange. There's a piece of peach color. There's a large piece of peach. Looks like a few sheets of red here. And then some blue glitter. I don't think this is layerable glitter, but I really like the shade of blue there. We have some red and some yellow. We have some silver glitter or sparkle or twinkle Not sure, you can always do a test cut and press to try to determine what it is to make sure that you are pressing it correctly. We have some blue glitter, a couple of sheets there, some white pieces, a few sheets of black glitter. This has a really nice fine shine in it. Some gold glitter, a little more white glitter coming out, a few pieces there. A dark, almost midnight shade of glitter. So it's definitely darker than navy. Maybe it's a charcoal, call it what you will. It's very nice glitter for that one. If you can, I don't know if you can see that one in the camera. There's a very fine silver reflective, a couple of strips of white, and then I can see these ones coming up. These are reflective in their glitter. So there's blue reflective. It's very fine. You could use these for like nighttime outdoor running, and the lights would reflect off of it. A few sheets of that, and the red as well is also reflective, and this gold is reflective. Looks like we're pulling out a few pieces of kind of a purple or magenta colored reflective. Again, the light hits these really nice to shine off of them and make them extra visible. A couple of pieces of white, and then we have some gold metallic. Looks like several pieces here of gold metallic. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope you have a great day.